Samsung is bringing back the Exynos 2400 after a 2-year break, and this news has some mixed feelings among Galaxy fans. There are some exciting improvements to look forward to, but there's also a drawback that might disappoint you. Compared to the older Exynos 2200, the Exynos 2400 has a CPU that's 70% faster and is better at conserving power. It also has the latest AMD graphics with RDNA 3 technology. However, surprisingly, its graphics performance falls a bit short of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and the Galaxy S23 series. This means that the Galaxy S24 will have a slightly slower graphics processor than its predecessor. This is unusual and disappointing news from Samsung. Samsung says that the Exynos 2400 is about 15% better at handling AI tasks compared to the Exynos 2200 from the previous year. But in reality, it struggles to keep up with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, let alone the powerful 8 Gen 3 expected in the Galaxy S24 series. In simple terms, Samsung's Exynos chips aren't meeting the expectations of users. The good news is that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will still exclusively feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. However, the Exynos 2400 will be available in Europe, Latin America, Africa, Asia, including South Korea and India. If you're in one of these places, you might not get the best performance unless you consider getting the Snapdragon version from other regions or opt for the Ultra model. This information is based on trustworthy reports and might be disappointing for people in Europe, Asia, and other mentioned regions. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember that this is based on reliable sources and things might change in the future. As someone who really likes Samsung, we really want their Exynos chips to do well. But even the biggest fans can start to doubt and worry if Samsung doesn't prove themselves. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.